Okay, so now you're gonna make this, the thing I just drew. It's really easy. You're gonna need a pencil and some paper and some crayons and some pencil crayons and other stationery. Now you make it into a ball. Now draw this little curve and this. Now you make this nose. Now you make a tongue, but if you don't want to, that's okay. Make 2 cute beady eyes. And now do this to make the eyes even way more cute. Now you make the ears. They look like this. Now you make these cute fluffy little paws. Make the body look a bit like a rectangle. And then you do this. And here's the very last step. Make some fins attached to the tail. Now you're all done with your cute little merpuppy. You can give it a name or you could color it. You can do whatever you want to your puppy. You can make it look cute, you can make it look fancy, you can make it look hilarious and adorable. Well, it's your choice. So, goodbye guys. We're done. We're done making our merpuppy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like and hit that bell. Goodbye.